so I'm going to be doing a YouTube video, and I usually don't post YouTube videos just because I've been busy and stuff, but I have time. Anyway, I have a very long hair. It is a good 20-21 inches, and this is all my natural hair. It's jet black. It's been like this for a while. It took years and years of growth. I'm not afraid to mess it up though, as dumb as that seems. I'm going to dye it light brown. I don't know how it's gonna look. I never really dyed my hair light brown. I have dyed it pink, and that was a fail kinda back in middle school, but hey, like, there's a start for everything. I'm willing to risk it, okay? So it's really healthy right now. It's not the healthiest. I don't really put a lot of product in it, and I try not to put a lot of heat on it, but we're going to dye this hair, try to dye it blondish brown. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I have like a whole bunch of box dye and box bleach, so I'm gonna like probably not film the whole process, but film as much as I can, and I'm going to make my hair light brown, or at least try to. So if this is gonna be a fail, it's gonna be a fail, but if it's not, then like, girl, I'm gonna have a rocking hair. Here's the products I'm going to be using. I actually ran at midnight to get these from Target. I don't recommend you guys using this product, the bleach that I showed you right now, for dark hair. I recommend it if you have light brown hair or brown hair. It said that in the box. I just didn't listen. I was desperate, okay? So I'm just showing you guys what I'm going to put in the container step by step. And yes, we do have toilet paper. Some of you guys probably don't, and it's so sad because there's people going around without toilet paper, but I'm making fun of my mom for buying a whole bunch, and now I'm like so thankful. But anyway, I decided to put all this product in my hair off camera because I didn't have a tripod. Plus, this isn't a freaking tutorial. It's my journey. Don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm doing, okay? I'm just experimenting with my hair. But I decided to put it in the bag so the heat can contain. I don't recommend bags. If you have tinfoil, please use tinfoil. It works much better. Also, the fumes of this bleach just reeked so bad. I was gagging in my bathroom for a minute until I had to run and open my bathroom window. So make sure your area is ventilated and nice for your lungs. You need those lungs. And I actually noticed through the bag that my hair was becoming really, really blonde or orange on my scalp. So I washed off my scalp and let the rest of the bleach soak into my hair on the bottom. I noticed it was really patchy because I don't know what I'm doing. So I blow dry it, and I'm going to use the Color Charm corrector on my hair. It's in Honey Blonde, to see if it lightens those dark patches up. I really hope it does lighten them up, but we'll see. So I'll see you guys soon. So here is my hair after the bleach treatment, but this isn't directly after because I actually went in 2 days later and re-bleached the ends because the ends were so sparsy, and there was just patches of my natural black hair. It just was an awful job, and I kind of blame myself for that because I used the wrong bleach. I used bleach that was recommended for people with light brown hair and brown hair, and my hair was just black naturally. So that was my fault. I was impatient. I should have waited. And so I went to Sally's Beauty, and I decided to get some bleach that was recommended for my hair. I used it, and it works so beautifully. Like, it matches nicely now. Of course, I still have a little bit of dark spots right here, but I'm gonna leave those there because they're not even that noticeable. But they're not like black. They're just like a little bit of more red tone to them. I'm just pretty happy with how it is. It's actually healthier than I expected, but it's kind of like makes sense because my hair is actually really thick and really healthy, and it was natural virgin hair because I had years and years of growth. It is pretty long still. I cut a little bit of the ends off, which I'm going to continue to do that because I didn't cut it on my second round. As you can see, they're pretty brittle, but I'm going to cut some ends off again, and then we'll see how it looks once it's all painted. I'm actually really surprised with how healthy it is, actually. But that is because I'm not washing my hair often. I'm only washing while I'm bleaching the
I'm only washing through bleaches. So if I'm not gonna bleach my hair or do anything with my hair, I'm not gonna wash it. I'm gonna wash my body, but put my hair in the shower cap, and that's been working. I need these natural oils to go in there, penetrate the hair, and help it stay strong and healthy, because I don't want my hair to just fall off. But this is the update. It is nice. It's a red color. Honestly, this is not what I'm gonna end up with. I'm going to go ahead and go in with a ash brown toner, and hopefully it'll tone my hair perfectly. If not, well, I'll record it and I'll let you guys know. But this is it. And yeah, see you next time.
Think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. They're really saying I love you. What a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how.
Alright guys, here's my hair after I shampooed it and blow dry it. And as you can see from the side-by-side video, my hair used to be really bright and yellow and orange. And now it's a nice, more calm tone to it. I really like it, but I'm going to actually go in with some light ash hair dye. What's up guys, so I am back I'm just putting my hair in a bag to help it process. I don't know if it makes a difference or not. I'm assuming it might because of the heat, but I mean, it's hair dye. It's like color, so I'm not sure if that has anything to do with it. Let me know down below. I'm actually really curious about that. I just do it because my mom does it. And here I am removing my hair dye from my precious skin because I don't want to have it stained. I actually also heard and read before that if you leave hair dye on your skin, you can actually get a really bad reaction. I'm not sure if that's true or not, but I'm not going to risk it. So I have really sensitive skin, so I'm going to clean that off. And I'm going to wait for my hair dye to be ready, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, so here is the end result. I'm so freaking happy with it. I think it looks so nice on me. And for being my first time dyeing my hair light brown, it looks pretty good. It's a little darker than I expected it to be, but I freaking love it. I think it matches my eye and my skin color nicely, and it's perfect for the beach. It's perfect for selfies. It's perfect for summer, springtime. I just think it looks so nice. And thank you guys again so much for following my journey with me. I have so many more journeys to share with you guys, so many more videos to share. I really, really love this process of being able to share like what I did with you guys. Of course, I am not a professional, but I'm so happy how it turned out. I hope you guys like and subscribe to this video and continue to follow me on different journeys that I come up with. And I hope you guys like my hair color. Comment down below what you guys liked about this video, and I will be sure to comment back. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a great day, night, or whenever you guys see this video.